Hello there.
On May 15th, Degiro decided to launch their new fee schedule. So let's look into it to see what has changed. The first big change is they will now charge you a commission for stock trading on the US, Canadian, or home country stock exchange of just €1 per trade plus the €1 management fee. So what does this mean? This means if you're going to trade stocks on the US stock exchange, you will now be subject to a €1 per trade commission fee, in addition to the 0.25% FX fee and the €1 handling fee. This also means change in home stock exchange. If your home stock exchange was France, for example, where you had a €0 commission, you will now have to pay €1 commission per trade. Second big change is the commission for the main selection of ETF will remain at €0. However, for all other ETF that do not fall into this main selection, a commission fee of €2 will be added. Now, I hope that this video helps you wrap your head around if you want to start investing with Degiro.